My friend Gary came over to show me this pipe bank he found. Someone, probably a machinist, took a heavy duty steel pipe, welded metal caps on both ends, and cut a slot on top. What a way to force savings. Unlike an easy open ceramic piggy bank, this would require a blowtorch or a hacksaw to get your money out. Here's the story of the treasure he found inside.
Bunch of junk, and it had some brass fittings, some old valves and stuff. So I
Yeah.
was going through the old valves and came upon this thing, and
Is that steel?
yeah, it's pipe,
Oh, okay.
but ferrous, yeah. So I picked it up, and there's something in there, and I'm thinking like old razor blades or something, and then
Yeah.
I'm thinking, why would they seal both ends
Right.
for something like that? So I threw it in,
Yeah.
having no idea what it was really, other than what you see, just a piece of pipe with both ends welded
Right.
short.
And then you did this, right?
Yeah, and I took a hacksaw to it, and then eventually I had to cut kind of a little sliver out of there and just sort of beat it in. This stuff is really tough.
Yeah.
Not
I wonder what this was.
yeah, I don't know.
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, some kind of, it's tougher than just regular plumbing pipe kind of thing. So
Yeah.
anyway, somebody went to a lot of work, and they polished all the weld off and everything. It looked like coins in there, and the one I could see first was a clad.
Yeah.
Oh, well, okay, that's worth
Somebody
something.
put a penny in there.
Yeah. So then I started shaking it like this, and out pops a mercury dime. Whoa! It may not be this one, but
Oh, wow. Yeah.
one like that, and I thought, whoa, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And so I thought, well, I'm going to open it up, and I did, and there was
All that?
$8.20 in silver,
$6.20 in silver?
$8.20,
Oh, $8.20.
and including 38 silver dimes, 18 silver quarters. There were 3 wheat pennies and 3 clad from 1967, 2 quarters and a dime clad. And when I looked through that slot, that's what I picked up, was one of those
Oh,
clads.
wow.
So, yeah, it's something you hear about occasionally, but never expected to find them. And most of the silver coinage is like mid-50s.
Yeah, here's 42, 54,
Yeah.
52. Wow.
There's it's $400
Wow. And you just got this at a
at a garage sale.
garage sale.
Sitting in a garage on the floor in a box of just junk, and I'm going through pulling out the brass pieces,
Yeah.
because I recycle brass and copper, and I was
Right.
looking for that.
Right.
And there's some faucets and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And the only reason I took this thing was it was kind of a mystery, and when I shook it,
Oh,
I
yeah.
could feel there was something in there, and I'm thinking old razor blades, hacksaw blades, but why would somebody go to all the trouble to dispose of, say, old razor blades or
Yeah.
something like this?
Well, they made a bank, but who they
Yeah.
forgot all about it.
Apparently.
What a find. The melt value of $8.20 of U.S. silver is approximately $410.